Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is cooking time with SGM. It's lunchtime. I'm going to soak these ingredients, these onions, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms. I have here the red chili, the garlic, the red paprika, the green onions, and the white onions. And here this is the preheated oil. I'm going to saute the garlic first. Then I'm going to add these onions. So all these onions, I'm going to soak it with the cooking oil. And I will add the rest of the onions. More onions is more delicious because this onions is sweet when you cook it, especially when you eat with the fried chicken or with the grilled chicken. The chicken is very yummy and tasty. So I'm going to add the red chili. Look at guys. Then I am going to add this chicken powder or the Maggi, okay? And I'm going to add this black pepper with this paprika powder. And I'm going to add this garlic powder or the no black. And a little bit of this salt, little bit only because I put already the Maggi. The Maggi is already salted, so just a little bit only, but it depends on your taste. Look at guys. So fry it, these onions. And now I am going to set aside a little bit of this fried onions, okay? Just a little bit. I'm going to take a little bit of this because I'm going to use this as a topping for my fried chicken, because I'm going to serve this sauteed vegetables together with the fried chicken and with the rice. So that's it. And now next we will put the potatoes. I slice the potatoes very thinly so that it will cook quickly. And now I'm going to add also the carrots. So but guys, it's just like this. It is very easy. Only you have to sauce the garlic, the onions, and the chili. It is it is optional. If you want a little bit spicy, you put a little bit of the chili. But this chili is not so hot. So when this potatoes and the carrots is ready, and it is already cooked, we will add the mushrooms. This is just a very simple cooking. So we will keep some minutes. So now I am going to add the mushrooms here. I have here the mushroom. This is a fresh mushroom, brown color. And we will mix it here. So what guys, this is quick cooking, very easy and very quickly cooking, instant cooking, because this mushroom is very soft. Look at this. Even only this sauteed vegetables, you can eat this one together with the bread, or you can eat just like this, or together with the rice or with the meat. Just stir it like this and leave some minutes to cook the mushrooms together with the potatoes and with the carrots. And this is ready to be served. And now I'm going to add the red paprika. I have here the red paprika and the green onions. I'm going to add this red paprika, look at this, and the green onions, because this is the last one to be mixed. So this is our sauteed mushrooms, potatoes, and carrots with red paprika and onion. So now this is ready to be served. So guys, this is our, so now this is already our menu for today. The sauteed vegetables, mushrooms, potatoes, and carrots. And now we are going to serve this one together with the rice. I have here the rice and the fried chicken, and I will show you here. So we will serve this sauteed vegetables together with the rice. So guys, I have here the rice and the fried chicken and a grilled chicken. You see, I will show you the grilled chicken. Look, that is a fresh grilled chicken. And here I'm going to put a little bit of this small plate in here. This sauteed vegetables with mushrooms. Look at here. This is very, very yummy. This is now the mushrooms. And this is our menu. Look. So I have here the sauce. Then I'm going to put on the top of this fried chicken. Okay. So this is how we will serve our chicken with rice and the sauteed vegetables. So guys, this is now our recipe for today. Look at here, this is the grilled chicken with the toppings of fried onions with chili. And this is the white rice, plain rice. This is decorated with carrots, cherry tomatoes with onions, and this one is this red is radish. I just slice and decorate. And now this is the sauteed mushrooms, carrots, and potatoes with paprika and